13 Action News, live at 11.
Just like my daddy did. We back in the saddle, back on stage making the whole place rattle. Back with the A-team train on the track. Thought we were gone, but you're wrong. Now it's on. We back. Train
Happy 4th of July, Las Vegas. You just watched a spectacular fireworks show on this strip, almost as if it's the first fireworks show you've ever seen before. Just a beautiful sight. Fireworks launched from rooftops of 7 casinos. And let's go to 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen, who watched the fireworks show live from Treasure Island on the strip. Jeremy.
Yeah, let me tell you this, Rachel. You could just hear the crowd right now just singing patriotic music after seeing that spectacular fireworks display that you might have witnessed in your own homes. And to tell you the truth, it's quite a spectacle to see in the sky. You can hear I believe they're singing America the Beautiful as we speak right now. But yeah, just look at this spectacular crowd over here. In a way, Vegas is back, and it's so good to see, especially after the tough few months we've had during the pandemic. But mind you, this is the first major holiday we're actually celebrating ever since we fully reopened here in Clark County. Now, just to give you a perspective, it comes after the fireworks display on New Year's was canceled because of the pandemic. Treasure Island, where we are right now, is one of 7 Las Vegas strip resorts that has fireworks shooting from the top of their buildings. As you saw, thousands of visitors also spent the day on the strip, the first major holiday since we fully reopened. And of course, look forward to seeing that spectacle in the sky. Now, the other fireworks locations on the strip include Aria, Planet Hollywood, Caesars, the Venetian, Resorts World, and the Strat. Again, you definitely had to wonder whether we were ever going to be able to see a spectacle just like the one we just witnessed, but here we are right now, and perhaps it's a sign of things to come. Reporting live, Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.
Jeremy, I was a little bit jealous that you were actually there on the strip watching it live, but even just watching it here on TV is just incredible. Now, joining us with one of the best views in town is 13 First Alert meteorologist Bree Guy. She's live from Circa Resort and Casino. Bree.
Yeah, no, the view is spectacular. What an amazing fireworks show so far is the party here at Circa in downtown here at the Legacy Club. People, the drinks are poured, where everyone's just having a great time. Today's highs, though, very hot. It's still a little hot out here right now. We hit 104 Las Vegas, meaning that we hit 11 days of 100 degrees of summer, and Raising Cane's has donated $1,100 to Make-A-Wish.